Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. It's me again. Don't forget to subscribe. We're here in Kursk Park. It's in the center of Moscow. See? Ayan ang aking makulit na alaga. It's a month of November. So look at these guys. So look at those trees. See? At ang aking ma-cute na alaga is going to find something. Sa Moscow naman guys, dito sa Russia, ang kaugalian talaga nila, yung mahilig sila maglagay ng ganito. So, after, pag nag-summer naman siya, yan, punong-puno ng bulaklak yan. Pero pag autumn na, pinapalitan nila ng ganyan. Kahoy yan siya na pinapulayan naman. Pati ba yung kulay? Like blue, may mga orange, pati pang kulay. Ayan siya. So, wala na masyadong halaman. Wala na talagang halaman. So, mostly naman, ang nagda-dry talaga dito yung mga kahoy. Ayan. So, we're in the park. So, ganyan, kahit na may COVID, kahit na taglamig, hindi talaga mawawalan sa kanila yung gumala. Kahit ganito ang panahon. So, ganyan guys. That's for now. And don't forget to subscribe my vlog.